Okay, thank you.
Thank
Cek.
you. Okay, so we're going to continue now. Number
Others.
3. For Mr. Anam, what do you think the answer is?
Yeah. Others. Others.
Okay. Okay, thank you. So the next we have Mr. Naufal. Number 4, sir. What do you think the answer is?
Other.
Okay, thank you.
Yes.
The next, Miss Fatika. What do you think the answer for number 5? The first one, this one. Some people keep dogs as pets. Blank have cats.
Others.
Okay, so we're gonna go back here later. So let's discuss the differences of the forms of other. Wait. Oke, jadi kita mulai dulu dengan bentuk yang tunggal dari other. Jadi ada dua bentuk, tunggal dan jamak. Kita mulai dulu dengan bentuk yang tunggal di sini. Jadi untuk bentuk tunggal ada another dan the other. So what is the difference between these two? So another, let's start with another. Jadi another di sini sebenarnya gabungan dari kata an dan other. Jadi an sebuah kan, one thing. Jadi ingat bahwa karena ini singular maka kita akan selalu menggunakannya dengan noun yang tunggal, berarti satu. So another, here's the example. We have the guy here. He's eating one apple. So you can say that satu apel yang lainnya, kalian bisa bilang another apple. Berarti satu apple lainnya. So let's say, so this guy named Paul. So let's say Paul wants to eat another apple and another apple and another apple. So like one apple, like he wants to keep eating like one apple. So one apple in the same item, right? Jadi di sini semua apple lainnya. Terus apa bedanya dengan the other? Notice di sini ada penggunaan the. Ada artikel the. Mungkin teman-teman sudah paham penggunaan artikel the berarti menyatakan bahwa yang diomongkan itu spesifik. Berarti ada satu hal yang diperbincangkan itu like we know, like what the thing yang diperbicarakan, yang dibicarakan itu apa. Misalnya contoh di sini. Misalnya di sini ada, so this guy is Paul and this girl named Sarah. So you can say Paul takes one apple. Paul is going to eat one apple, one of the apples, and Sarah is going to eat the other apple. Jadi kenapa di sini pakai the other? Karena hanya ada one thing left, ada one apple left di sana, ya kan? Berarti menandakan bahwa hanya ada satu apple itu. Kan ada dua nih, satu dimakan Paul dan satu one specific apple akan dimakan oleh si Sarah. Oke. So di sini ada beberapa contoh penggunaan another dan the other. Coba dilihat di point C di sini. Paul ate one apple, then he ate another apple, he ate another one, he ate another. Jadi kenapa di sini hanya ada another? Kenapa nggak ada noun di sini? Kenapa nggak diikuti sebuah kata benda di sini? This is what we call pronoun. Jadi penggunaan other bisa digunakan sebagai adjective dan sebagai pronoun. So what is the difference? Jadi bedanya sebenarnya hanya ada pada penggunaan noun-nya apa enggak. Jadi kalau dia diikuti noun, otomatis another-nya dia berfungsi sebagai adjective. Kalau dia nggak diikuti sama noun, berarti dia berfungsi sebagai pronoun atau kata ganti, ya kan? So for the other, misalnya contoh di sini di point D, Paul ate one apple, Sarah ate the other apple, the other one, Sarah ate the other. Jadi di sini the other yang terakhir karena tidak diikuti dengan noun, maka dia berfungsi sebagai pronoun atau kata ganti. Oke, before we're going to the exercise, is there any question, guys? Huh? Is there any question?
No,
Is there any question so far?
not clear.
Okay, so I bet this one is easy for you guys. So okay, for number one, let's take a look at the example here. There are two birds in drawing A. So here's the drawing A. One is eagle, so this one is eagle. The other is a chicken, right? So we use the other as a what? As a adjective di sini, apakah as a pronoun? What do you think, guys? Ada yang mau bisa jawab? Jadi the other sebagai adjective atau sebagai pronoun? Mr. Naufal coba.
Adjective, please.
Huh? Adjective? Are you sure?
Because setelah the other ada noun-nya.
Is there any noun? Coba dilihat, Mister. The
Yeah.
other. Is there any noun after the other?
Oh iya.
Yep. There you go. Jadi di sini the other digunakan sebagai what? Pronoun. Kata ganti. Kalau kalian notice di sini dia the other nggak ada noun-nya, langsung diikuti dengan verb-nya yaitu is. Berarti kita pakai the other. Kenapa nggak pakai another? Coba Mr. Irfan. Kenapa nggak pakai another?
Karena udah jelas.
Yep, that's good. Karena udah jelas, udah spesifik yang diomongin ini, the only chicken that we have on the drawing A, only one chicken, that specific chicken. So okay, I'm gonna move on to the next number. Wait. Okay, number 2. There are 3 birds in drawing P. We have 3 birds here. One is eagle. And you're going to continue with this one. I'm going to choose Mr. Anam. Can you please answer the A question?
The other one is
Yep, you can use the other one. How about the last one though? Okay. If you use the other for the P, how about the last one?
the last one is the other bird.
So you choose the other for both A and B. Okay. So, okay, thank you, sir. Sebenarnya jawaban di A kita menggunakan another. Why? Karena di sini apa ya? Ini belum yang terakhir. Kan listing nih, ya kan? Ini belum yang terakhir. Kalau baru yang terakhir nanti untuk yang crow kita baru bisa pakai the other. So for the A, you have to use another. One is eagle, another one is a chicken, the other, ya kan? The last thing yang ada di item itu kita pakai the other. Kalau dia belum sampai ke the last one, the last item, teman-teman cukup pakai another. Okay, thank you. The next, Miss Fatika. Number 3, Miss. There are many kinds of birds in the world. One kind is an eagle. Coba Miss.
Another kind is a chicken.
Yep, that's good. Another kind is a chicken. How about number 2, Miss? Sorry. How about B?
I'm not sure, Miss Andri. I think is the other.
Okay, thank you. Coba perhatikan di sini teman-teman, kalau apakah di kalimat ini ngomongin soal apa ya, sesuatu yang spesifik apa enggak? There are many kinds of birds in the world. Like, is that specific thing that we're discussing now?
Specific, Miss.
Many kinds of birds.
Oh, enggak.
In the world. We have so many birds in the world, right?
Oh, yes.
So, if we're not discussing specific things, if we are discussing like general stuff, kita pakai another, ya kan? Karena the other digunakan untuk hal yang spesifik.
Oh, iya.
Berarti di sini jawaban A, B, C, D apa kira-kira, Miss?
Another.
Yep, that's great. So, A, B, C, D, another semua.
What is
Ya kan?
the name of another kind?
Ya?
Without
Ya kan?
S ya, Miss ya?
Kenapa nggak pakai S? Karena kita lagi discussing yang tunggal, ya kan?
Oke, Miss.
Oke, thank you, Miss.
Ya,
Number
thank you, Miss.
4. Siapa ini? Mr. Naval. Number 4, sir.
Yeah, number 4. I think it's the other.
Yep, that's great. I have 2 brothers. One is named Nick, the other is named Matt. Karena di sini spesifik kan, dia hanya punya 2 brothers. Satu Nick, berarti satunya lagi kan spesifik cuma satu nih, si Matt. Okay, the last one for number 5, Mr. Irfan. There are 5 names on the list. One is Adam.
One is Adam, another is Greg,
Continue.
another is Nick.
Yep, that's great.
Another one of the name is Aaron.
This one? Blank one of the names, huh?
Another one or the
Yep.
others?
How about the last one?
The other.
Yep, that's great. Jadi kita menggunakan, thank you sir, kita pakai another, dan yang terakhir karena the last thing in the item, we use the other name. Okay, so we're gonna move on now to the plural forms of other. Jadi kita tadi diskusikan things that are specific, that are singulars. Sekarang kita diskusikan hal-hal yang jamak atau plural. Jadi bentuk other yang plural itu ada other atau others, tergantung apakah dia sebagai adjective atau pronoun, nanti kita diskusikan. Dan the other atau the others. Okay, so let's start with others atau other. So, what is the difference between yang pakai the sama yang nggak pakai the? Yang pakai artikel sama yang nggak pakai artikel. How guys, what do you think? Sama kayak tadi kan? Kalau kita ngomongin hal-hal yang umum, kita pakai others. Tapi kalau kita ngomongin hal-hal yang spesifik, kita pakai artikel the other, the others. Oke, kita mulai dulu dengan others. Kalau other, kita gunakan sebagai adjective. Contoh di A di sini, di poin A, there are other apples in a bowl. Jadi di sini other digunakan sebagai adjective karena dia diikuti dengan noun-nya, yaitu apples. Beda dengan poin C, kita mengikuti other dengan S, jadi others, ya kan? There are others on a chair. Jadi others di sini sebagai pronoun. Why? Karena dia berfungsi sebagai kata ganti, karena nggak diikuti dengan kata bendanya. Nggak ada kata benda yang mengikuti others di sini. Sebenarnya di bahasa maknanya cukup sederhana, yaitu yang lainnya. Jadi apel yang lainnya, ada apel lainnya di mangkok, ada apel-apel lainnya di piring, ada juga lainnya di kursi. How about the other atau the others now? Okay, so here is when we are talking about specific apples. Jadi kalau kita lagi ngomongin specific apples, misalnya di sini, this guy named Paul is going to take one apple, and there are other apples here. Ada 3 apel di sini yang akan diambil oleh si Sarah. Berarti saya bisa bilang Sarah is going to take the other apples. So we know like we have 4 apples here. Kita tahu ada 4 apples di sini. Oke, 1 diambil oleh si Paul. Sisanya yang ada di meja ini, berarti semua sisanya itu diambil oleh Sarah. Berarti Sarah is going to take the other apples. Sarah is going to take the other ones. Sarah is going to take the others. Right? Jadi kalau kita ngomongin hal yang spesifik dan itu bentuknya plural, maka kita pakai the other. Okay. So for this one, bedanya sama adjective dan pronoun, I think is already clear. Apakah dia diikuti dengan noun apa enggak, ya kan? Oke, masuk ke latihan aja sekarang. Kalau ada pertanyaan, langsung unmute yourself, terus tanya ya. Oke, kita coba latihan bentuk jamak dari other sekarang. Jadi silahkan pilih menggunakan other atau others, the other atau the others. Coba kita lihat dulu contohnya. Nomor 1, there are many kinds of animals in the world. The elephant is one kind. Some others are tigers, horses, and whales. Kita pakai others di sini. Kenapa nggak pakai the others? Mr. Naval, kenapa nggak pakai the others di situ?
Karena di situ dijelaskan umum, Miss, many kind in the world.
Yep, that's great. Karena ngomongin hal-hal yang umum kan, animals yang ada di this world. Okay, number 2. Mr. Irfan, can you please read the question and then answer the blank?
Okay, there are many kinds of animals in the world. The elephant is one kind. Some other kinds are tigers, horses, and whales.
Yep, that's great. Other. We use other here. Karena di sini sudah ada noun-nya, yaitu kinds. Dan kita ngomongin hal yang umum, nggak spesifik. Jadi kita nggak pakai the, kita pakai other saja. Number 3. Thank you, sir. Number 3, Mr. Anam.
There are 3 colors in the US flag. One, the colors is red. The others are white and blue.
Okay. The others are white and blue. Yep. Thank you, sir. Kita pakai the others karena kita ngomongin US flag. Hanya ada US flag dengan 3 warna, ya kan? Jadi kita pakai the karena spesifik, the others. Okay, number 4. Miss Fatika.
There are three colors in US flag. One of the color is red. The other without S berarti Miss ya?
Yep. Ini ngomongin tentang yang spesifik, ya kan?
Iya. Yeah. The other yang without S ya, Miss?
Yep.
Yeah.
That's great.
Okay.
Jadi again ini spesifik US flag. One of the kok sama ya soalnya. What is the difference? Number 3 and number 4, Miss. Apa bedanya?
Oh, kalau yang number 3 I think is with S, Miss.
No, it's not about that. Coba perhatikan penggunaan itu. Apa yang muncul setelah kata others sama the other-nya?
Yang nomor 3 itu ada R, yang kalau nomor 4 itu dia langsung noun-nya.
Yep, that's great. Jadi bedanya apa nih? Nomor 3 sama 4?
Yang ada noun-nya itu berarti the other, yang di atasnya R, yang ada R-nya itu berarti the others. The others. Ya, Miss.
Yep, oke. Beda fungsinya apa, Miss? Kalau gitu. Sebagai adjektif, mana sebagai adjektif, mana sebagai pronoun? Come on.
Kalau yang nomor 3 itu dia sebagai sebagai pronoun. Kalau yang nomor 4 itu sebagai adjektif. Kalau nggak salah.
That's very great. Yep, itu bedanya ya, guys. Oke. Number 5. Siapa nih? Mr. Naval. Number 5, sir.
Yeah, number 5. I think it's the other.
Okay. There are 4 birds in the picture. One is eagle, another one is crow. These two. Apa tadi, sir, jawabannya, sir?
The other bird.
Okay, that's great. The other birds, ya kan? Karena spesifik, cuma ada 2 birds di sini. Okay, I think this one is the last one. Mr. Irfan.
There are 4 birds in the picture. One is an eagle, and another one is a crow. The others are chickens.
Yep, that's great. The others kita pakai sebagai pronoun, kata ganti, kan?
Yep.
Okay, thank you guys. Okay, sekarang kita coba lihat soal yang tadi. Okay, number 2. Mr. Anam, coba dijawab. Ini campuran tunggal dan jamak yang kita udah disiksikan tadi. Number 2, sir?
It has 2 shoots. One is blue and the other is gray.
Yep, that's great. Karena spesifik, ya kan? The other is gray. Number 3, the next, Miss Tika.
Some sweets are blue. The other are gray.
So, are we discussing a specific thing right now or not?
Oh, some sweets, astagfirullah. Some sweets are blue. Other are gray.
Can you please repeat?
Some sweets are blue, and other are gray.
Other or others?
Other.
Are you
Because
sure?
belakangnya itu armis.
Iya, ada are. Karena are jamak, maka kita pakai jamak juga kan?
Iya.
Iya, kalau bentuk jamak kita pakai untuk yang umum, kalau jamak kita pakai ini kan others.
Oh.
Iya kan?
Iya.
Some suits are blue, others are gray. Okay, thank you, Miss.
Okay,
Number
Miss.
4, the next, Mr. Naval.
Yeah, number 4. Some suits have 2 buttons. The other suits have 3 buttons.
Same question. Are we discussing the specific thing now, or is it like general thing that we're discussing now?
Specific.
Are you sure? Some suits have 2 buttons. Jadi ada kemeja yang pakai 2 kancing. Saya nggak ngomongin kemeja saya atau kemeja apa ya, yang spesifik. Kita ngomongin kemeja secara umum di sini, kan?
Yeah.
What do you think?
Other.
Yep. Other suits have 3 buttons. That's great. Number 5, Mr. Irfan.
Some people keep dogs as pets. Others have cats. Still, other people have fish or birds as pets.
Okay.
Can you name other kinds of animal?
Yeah, that's great.
Or pets?
Yep, that's great. Jadi kita nggak pakai the sama sekali ya di sini ya, karena kita so all of your answers are correct. Kita nggak pakai the, bentuk yang pakai the, karena di sini kita ngomongin hal-hal yang umum ya kan. Berarti some people keep dogs as pets, others have cats, still other people have fish or birds as pets. Can you name other kinds? Ya kan? Pakai itu. Oke.
Miss.
Yep.
Yang nomor 4 tadi itu berarti apa, Miss, tadi? Yang other tanpa S ya, Miss?
Yep. Kenapa nggak pakai S? Nah, ini yang sering kali common mistake. Kalau saya bilang gini misalnya. Other suits. Yang benar yang mana, guys? Yang nomor 1 atau nomor 2?
Nomor 1.
Ya. Jadi yang benar adalah nomor 1. Karena suits-nya, noun-nya di sini suits, sudah plural. Jadi kita nggak perlu tambahkan S di adjektifnya, di bentuk other-nya di situ. This is like a common mistake. Seringkali apa ya, banyak yang nulisnya gini, double S di plural count semua, padahal yang benar adalah cukup noun-nya yang plural. Okay guys, is there any question? Hi guys. Okay, so for now, we're gonna do some writing. You're gonna write. You're gonna write. Let me open my file. Okay. So you're gonna write this one. You're going to write 3 sentences. So basically, you're gonna have 1 paragraph with like maximum 3 sentences, maksimal 3 kalimat. Coba gunakan bentuk other yang sudah kita pelajari. Tadi kan ada other, another, the others, dan sebagainya. I hope you guys can do it in 5 minutes. Kalau sudah, bisa submit di chat box ya. Any question, guys?
Miss, saya sudah kirim, tapi nggak yakin.
We're gonna check your writing after this. Okay, I think it's already 5 minutes, right? You can still post your writing on the group chat here. But let's discuss some of your friends' writings. Okay, this one is from Mystika. Some Indonesian. You forget the plural here, right? Indonesians say that the other countries are beautiful, but I think all the Indonesian sceneries are the most beautiful. Other foreigners said, can we use other here? Huh, guys, what do you think? Can we use other here?
Oh, no, Miss, kayaknya the other. Soalnya kan spesifik ya, Miss.
Jadi kita sebenarnya pakai bentuk other ketika ada item yang di list. Jadi Miss di sini pakai other boleh apabila Miss sebelumnya udah bilang soal foreigners, ya kan? Jadi tujuan penggunaan other itu digunakan ketika kita punya item yang kita omongin. Jadi ada item, di sini itemnya foreigner kan. Kalau dia udah disebutkan sebelumnya, maka di sini Miss boleh pakai other. Tapi di sini nggak ada pembahasan foreigners kan sebelumnya. So I can say you cannot use other di sini. So what do you think? Pakai saja foreigners. That's it. Foreigners said, or some foreigners, ya kan? Kalau kita pakai other foreigners, kita refer to yang lainnya, foreigner yang lainnya. Berarti ada anggapan bahwa ada foreigner yang lainnya, yang sebenarnya yang sudah dibahas. Does that make sense? Miss Latika?
Iya, Miss Andri.
Okay.
Oh, iya. Okay.
Some foreigners said they tend to live in Indonesia than in their countries, right? We have more than they live in not one country, right? Countries. Even though Indonesia has many problems in the other sides, what do you think in the other sides? Any opinion, guys? Can we use in the other sides? What do you think? Sebenarnya karena sudah ada even though, ya kan? Even though berarti okay, this I'm gonna, so these two contra ideas that I have. Indonesia has many problems. Kemudian tapi dia punya interesting culture. I think that one is enough. Even though saja sudah enough, ya kan? Kita nggak perlu pakai in the other sides. Jadinya kayak redundant, ya kan? Pengulangan. So I think this one is just fine. Even though Indonesia has many problems, it harbors interesting culture. Okay. Okay, the next one. There are many colors on cars. Some cars have blue color. Other cars have red color. There are many colors on car. Some cars, other cars have red color. Others, okay. What do you think, guys? Any opinion for this one? There are many colors on cards. Some cards have blue color, other cards have red color. I think sounds fine. Right? Or you can say like cards have many colors, right? Okay, I think this one is good. The next, Mr. Anam. Every weekdays, I go to the office by two kinds of transportation modes. I use motorcycle from my home to bus station. Then the other transportation mode that I use is city bus. Okay. Di sini Mr. Anam pakai the other. Kemudian apa lagi? Only that one. Yep. Karena dia dua mode transportasi kan, berarti spesifik dia cuma punya dia cuma pakai motorcycle, kemudian yang lainnya pakai bus. Oke, jadi pakai the other. Oke, the next. There are 4 kinds of fish in a multicultural pond. One kind is grouper, which inhabits the water column. Others are barramundi and cobia on the surface. Finally, the other specific one at the bottom of the pond is lobster. So, Mr. Naval, are you talking about specific kinds of fish that you have in a pond, or what? Or the fish that we have in this world, or what?
Yeah, specific in the pond. Yes.
Yeah, in a multicultural pond. I'm not sure if you can use multicultural here with the pond.
Because it's more than one kind of fish in a pond.
But they're fish though. Fish. Can we use the word multicultural with fish? I think it applies to humans. Okay, one kind is grouper, which inhabits the water column. Can we use others here? So Mr. Naval is talking about a pond which has some fish on it. Kalau dia pakai others di sini, what do you think? Kan spesifik ya kan? Karena fish yang diomongin kan di pond itu tadi, di kolam yang spesifik itu tadi, sebuah kolam itu tadi. So I think this one kita harus pakai the. The other. The others are. What do you think?
Oh ya, Miss.
Iya. Jadi karena spesifik, jadi pastikan semua pakai spesifik juga the. One kind bisa juga bilang another kind, you may say that, and the rest sisanya pakai the. Okay, Miss Tika, thank you. Yeah.
Thank you, Miss.
Yep, thank you. Okay. Is there any question, guys? I think it's already 5 p.m. now. Any question about the form of other? Hi, guys.
No, I think
Is
it's
there
clear.
Any question? Is it easy or hard?
Sound tricky, Miss.
Yeah, so tricky.
Tricky.
Yeah, we think that it is easy, but actually it is not, right?
The others.
Yeah, keep in mind the differences. The other. It helps with your writing. If you do IELTS, the examiner wants to know like whether you can use like other form, like the forms of other correctly or not. Yeah, the article and stuff. Okay, it's already 5. Thank you guys. Hopefully I can see you tomorrow on Sunday or next week or the next weekend. I think that's all. Thank you. Bye-bye. Thank you, Mr. Naufal, Mr. Irfan, Mr. Anam. Thank you.
Thank you, Miss.
Thank you, Miss. Thank you.